Coming live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Today's video I'm going to be showing you what we need for the wind turbine. This is a Guywire, but this is an aircraft cable which I'm going to be using for a Guywire for my wind turbine. My iSTA-BREEZE 2000 watt 40 amp 48 volt wind turbine I'm going to be using here. So this is the Guywire. It's a stainless steel. It's a very strong. I got it from a store, but they've been I think they've been selling some, but we have a lot. We have a lot in this box. He said it's 100 plus feet, so I ended up buying for 50 bucks. See that? $50 I pay for. So guys, I just want to show you I'm getting ready. I'm getting prepared for the I don't know what gauge is this, but I'm getting ready. Look how thick it is. It's a big one. I want safety. I need stability. I don't want no trouble for any of these the wings or whatever gonna be for my mask, and so everything gonna be work perfectly. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so blessed, and I found this stuff, and I can't even know how to be grateful, you know, for coming across opportunity like this for me right in the cities. And just want to share the good news with you guys. And you can find some of these wires maybe Lowe's, Home Depot, and other places that you can use like a Guywire thing or whatever. But this is an aircraft cable, aircraft wire, so it's a tough one. So, and the guy was really nice. Say, that's a big stuff. He was making fun of me. Say, what are you gonna do with it? So I didn't say that much. All I want is just I need the wire. So I want to get this, and I thought, I say, is this for sale? Or since it's already actually used, and it has a broken thing right there, wood. He said, oh yeah, I marked this one for 50 bucks for you. If you want it, then it's all yours for today. I was like, sure, I'll take it. So, you know how people normally buy few yards, you know, a couple hundred, but this one reel is supposed to be like 1,000 foot long. So, and I was looking at it online. This one would have cost over 300 to 400 plus, and whatever he said, it says about 100. I think they just estimated or do approximations that is approximately 100 plus. That's why they said 100 plus foot long. So see that? So I can't beat that. Whatever it is, I'll take it. And it depends where my mask gonna be, if it's like really high or maybe 30 foot high, whatever it is. But if it's 30 foot wide, I'm just gonna divide it. If it's 100 hours there, so 30 by 30, 30 is 90. So each angle is gonna be 3 angles where it's gonna come, you know, like a V, like it's coming all the way down on the ground. And stay tuned for the next video, which I'm gonna be showing you the sticks I already bought that's gonna be on the ground, where this Guywire is gonna be anchored to those stakes. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be right back with the next video. Love you guys all. Bye for now. Get ready for the wind turbine.